This is the Waterfall Reserve at Mount Wilson. It's quite an extensive picnic area with tables, toilets, and a walk which I'll be doing shortly down to the waterfall after which this place is named. Well, this is where the waterfall track begins, and as the sign says, it takes about 45 minutes for the round trip, so we'll get moving. This is not typical sandstone bushland. We're on basalt, which weathers to a rich chocolatey coloured soil, and the trees are much higher and more plentiful than on the sandstone country. The track branches here. The one to the right says bridge, the other waterfall. Well, we'll try the bridge track first. We're down in the rainforest, reaching the point where the track descends to the waterfall, which we can hear in the background. We're here at the waterfall. The water is trickling over the basalt rocks quite a distance, but no great flow. Very pretty spot. Down here the stream has cut through the basalt into the underlying sandstone, and there's another waterfall. Just a little bit further to go to the lowest point on the track.